By now, we will see the advantages of Linux. We will explore the benefits for users and businesses. Introduction. This presentation outlines the distinct advantages for using Linux, focusing on cost effectiveness, customization options, security features, performance metrics, and community support. First of all, we will see the cost of this distribution or this operation system. Free and open source. As I said before, it is a free and open source. Linux is entirely free to use and distribute. Users can modify and share the source code freely, fostering innovation and collaboration among developers worldwide. No licensing fee. Unlike many operating systems, Linux does not require purchasing license for use. So this is why it is open source, which significantly reduces overall software costs for users and organizations alike. So Linux does not need to spend any amount of money to have it. You can just download it from the official repository of any distribution like Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, and so on and so forth. So also it is low hardware requirement. Linux can run efficiently on older hardware, making it ideal for reviving legacy systems. It is lightweight distribution, allows users to operate with minimal resources. So if you have an old PC, personal computer, you can run Linux without any problem. Customization. Variety of distributions. There is multiple type of distributions from general use to development to security like Kali Linux, for example, or Parrot OS, providing users with great choice. User interface flexibility. Users can change the look and the feel of their desktop environment based on personal preferences, enhancing user experience and productivity by customizing layouts and themes. For example, in GNOME, we can use any theme you want. You can have a nice desktop with a nice experience, and you can make it suitable for your activity like penetration testing, like development, web development, software development, and so on and so forth. Configuration options. Advanced users can modify system settings. So configuration are granular level. So you can make it suitable for your expertise level, allowing for tailored performance and adaptability to unique workflows. For example, if you are a penetration tester, or a cybersecurity expert, you can download and make a nice set of tools to maximize your productivity with this Linux distribution. For example, Linux are built in mind with great tools like Armitage, like Metasploit, like SQL Map, like SQL Ninja, and so on and so forth. Wireshark also for network penetration testing or sniffing or whatever. Security. Robust user permission. Linux operates in a strict permission model, allowing users to set detailed access control for files and directories, which enhances system security. This minimizes risks of unauthorized access and malicious activity, making it ideal for both personal and enterprise environment level. Frequent updates. The Linux community actively develops and maintains the operating system, which provide regular updates for security and patches, system improvement, and new features. This continual update cycle helps protect users' systems against vulnerability and enhances overall performance. So if you use Windows, for example, or another distribution like, or another operation system like Macintosh, you have to wait for the next patch from the Windows, Microsoft, or Apple, which is not the case for Linux because we have an active community that are almost every day and every week make patches and operation system updates. So also there is an important thing that makes Linux a better choice, which is open source transparency. As an open source operating system, Linux promotes transparency. Users can inspect, modify, and enhance the code, ensuring that they understand how their system operates and that there are no hidden vulnerability. So you can make your choice with the best distribution and the best inspection in order to verify if there is any vulnerability in your operating system. Performance. Lightweight options. Linux supports a variety of lightweight distributions designed to maximize performance in older or less powerful hardware, as I said before. This means users can achieve a smooth operating experience without investing in expensive equipment. If you are a web developer, a cybersecurity expert, or a cybersecurity guru, you can use Linux without any problem because it is a best option for hardware. You can use an old PC or allow performance hardware to use your Linux distribution. Resource efficiency. Linux is known for its efficient use of system resources, which translates to better performance and longer battery life in laptops. This efficiency is vital for users who require stable and reliable performance on low-spec machines. You don't have, as I said before, a good PC, you can use Linux without any problem because it is not it is not consuming the hardware as it is low spec machines. Speed improvement. Many Linux distributions boot up and run applications faster than other operating systems due to their optimized design and lower resource demands. This speed is a key advantage for users needing quick access to applications and services. It is much more faster than Windows, for example. And community. Now we will discuss the community of Linux, which is very big community. Support forums. Linux boasts a strong community with numerous support forums where users can seek assistance, share experiences, and solve problems collaboratively. This vibrant community ensures that help is readily available for both novice and advanced users. If you have a question in your Linux distribution, you can just Google on it and promise that you will find the right answer in the right place and the right moment. So, documentation also is available. Extensive documentation is available for virtually every aspect of using Linux, from installation guides to advanced configuration tips. This wealth of knowledge facilitates a smoother learning curve for new users and developers alike. Active development. The Linux operating system experiences continuous development by a global network of contributors. This ensures that users benefit from the latest technologies and improvements, keeping the ecosystem robust and up to date. Conclusion. In summary, the advantages of using Linux encompass cost savings. So you don't spend any dollar to purchase your Linux distribution. Also, customization is a key factor for Linux distribution or Linux operating system. Security robustness is a key factor also for Linux usability. It is very secure and very, very, very tough to break onto a Linux system. Performance efficiency also is a very performant operating system and a strong community support. These factors make Linux an exceptional choice for both individuals and organizations seeking a reliable operating system. So we'll use Linux, and the entire world wide use Linux for both personal use and enterprise level use. Servers, machine learning, and so on and so forth for personal computer, like developer computer, a cybersecurity computer, and so on and so forth. So next part of this tutorial or this course is about installing Ubuntu operating system. See you later.